I'm gonna get the vaccine today. Blood pressure first. Why is this so high? I have high blood pressure. I thought I wasn't gonna get it because the teachers were telling me I have high blood pressure, but apparently it should be fine. It's very organized here. They will check my medical history, and teacher Rin here is like giving me a pre-interview to find out if I have anything. I said, is laziness a sickness? If it is, then I might not qualify. I'm really just waiting for my turn, and like they're trying to give instructions, I think, or explain something. I don't understand a bit because they speak too fast. So there's a full disclosure.
Muscle pain.
Right.
Flame.
Right. It's still ongoing while we are here in this room. It's an air-conditioned room, by the way. The service is very, very good. And so we have this form. It's, you know, the usual medical form that you get like before any medical procedure. They ask you if you have been sick, if you've been taking medicine, or if you have any medical concerns that they should be aware of. So we're back in school, and so they needed me to disclose my medical history, and they also disclosed the side effects. I tick a lot of boxes. Also had to sign the paperwork for the disclosures. So I didn't really want to interfere with the process, and I didn't want to make it difficult for them. So I decided not to film anymore. The process was very effective. It was very fast. The hospital service was also very good because there was full attention, and everyone was so friendly. I got offered a bottle of water 3 times. I didn't feel a thing. I don't know, we'll see. I'll probably include a clip of how I'm feeling in the next few days. So I'm hoping I'm not going to have any side. Even for Thai people, it's quite difficult to acquire the vaccine. So you can imagine it must be more difficult for foreigners to be able to acquire one. And so I'm thankful for the attention that our school director has given to this matter, for including foreign teachers in the priority list. The hospital as well and the local municipality were very much cooperating to be able to make this happen. So towards the end, there were a lot of people, but it was still very systematic, and everyone was attended to well. I hope you found value in this video or a bit of entertainment. I actually saw 3 Filipino teachers there. I wanted to interact more with them, but I didn't really get the chance. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.